Good morning, everyone. This is Lisa Ann from Lisa Ann Tarot. Doing a quick twin flame reading for our reading for the day. So let's get started. So current energies right now of the collective. We're all in the thick of it. We're on the journey, doing our work, figuring things out. We're being reminded to keep our vibrations high. We're wavering a bit. The energies are very up and down. And you'll notice within yourself, one moment you're flying high, and the next moment you're kind of mucking around in the low vibrations. So you want to make sure to keep your vibrations high, keep your thoughts positive, and continue to heal and do your work. So where the divine masculines are at right now, the divine masculines are going within. They've kind of got their shields up. They're figuring out who they are and how they need to come correct in their life right now. But they have big dreams. They are thinking of their future. They're thinking about how they want their life to be, how they want to be. So they're very much withdrawn and in themselves, and really thinking about how they want to proceed with their life. The divine feminines, on the other hand, are looking for romance. They're looking for, maybe nostalgic kind of looking back through their connection, through their journey, and they're really wanting to have that connection right now. But we have destruction. So the feeling that I'm get with these is that this is a separation period. These two people, some of the collective have been forced into a separation, but it's for a purpose, and they need to sort of pull down. The feminines need to kind of pull apart really and look at what they're into this connection for. It's not all about romance. It's not going to be, they need to let go of any attachment to any specific outcome. So they're also doing some work. So the next question I asked was how the divine masculine saw this connection. And they want union. Deep down, they want union. They want to come together. They see this connection as significant in their life. It's part of their big dreams, but they're stuck right now. They're stuck because they have their shields up. They're not sure how they want to proceed. So right now they're sort of stuck. How does the divine feminine view the connection right now? Well, they feel rejected. In a period of separation, when they do pull away from you, or even when the feminine pulls away from, when there's a runner-chaser dynamic, it does bring up feelings of rejection. It does bring up fears of abandonment and different things that need to be worked on. But they're looking for a commitment. They do see the connection as a commitment, as a significant relationship in their life, and that's what they're looking for. So I asked, what's blocking them right now? So the block for the masculine is worldly. So this has to do with their connection to the material world, possibly, worries about finances, or worries about their status, possibly even how this connection is going to be viewed by others. So their head not only is going within in themselves, but it's also about how the world is going to view them. Then we have observer. So this is also about how they're being observed and how they're observing their feminine. They could be watching her on social media, physically also in the, out in the community, but they're not currently in communication. So the block for the feminine is that she feels trapped. She feels like she, as much as she wants things for this connection, it's just not happening. So she's not sure what to do, but she knows she needs to have patience, and she needs to, kind of relax and let things unfold naturally. So future energies the cards kind of tell a progress or a story. So we have Judgment Day. So part of this separation that's going on right now is about divine intervention. The divine has stepped in here and caused the separation in order for the two counterparts to really look at their lives, look at their view of each other, make sure that they're, living within their purpose and their core values, and stripping away or letting go of anything that no longer serves them. We have settling, so future energies. Once this Judgment Day occurs, things will start to settle for the collective, and then we have a solid offer coming in, and a return. So the separation will, once the energies settle, and they realize what this connection means to them, there is going to be a return to each other and a solid offer. And we have tradition. So tradition is about coming together, is about having a solid foundation, a solid relationship. And then we have the fall. So the fall could indicate a period of time. So this could indicate the fall months when this change will occur. It also has to do with shadow work. So once the collective, sort of looks deep in themselves and becomes balanced between their dark and their light, reaches this Judgment Day, there will be a balance, and that's when this return and a solid offer comes around. So, and then bottom of the decks, which would be the theme for right now, we have guide and collision. So again, this is divine intervention. This is separation is for a reason, and it's to prevent the way the masculines and feminines are right now. They need to sort of go within and really make sure that they're in alignment with themselves and how they're supposed to be, and they're being guided. So pay attention to any signs, synchronicities, messages that are brought forward, readings that you're drawn to. Really look for the message and what you're supposed to really pay attention to, because we're all being guided and led at this moment. So continue on your journey, keep your vibrations high, and have a good day.